Okay, last time I was down here, I made a video and I promised that the next time I was here, I would take this truck down a Border Patrol trail. Well, here we are. What's up, gang? My name is Patron, and I am about to do something probably a little bit stupid. But what do I do that isn't really? So that trail, that just goes to that construction site. That's nothing. But this one, bump on the intro, goes right down to the fence. There's dirt and shit, rocks and stuff. This is also used for construction. They're extending, I believe, Alta Road all the way down here somewhere, probably to allow for more development in these areas, because this area is kind of popping off right now. The border area is getting more popular for like warehouses. There's already an Amazon fulfillment center down here, so they're building more stuff and making roads go further out, straight down to the border like Britannia does. Kind of opens things up, opens up opportunities for more development, because then you can build off of those roads and have warehouses and shit. There's the fence, as you can see. There's Tijuana. It's funny how at Tijuana, they built right up to the edge of the US border, right? Like, they built right up to the edge of the fence. Whereas in the US, we shied away from that. Like, we are building down here, we're building close to the border now. That is a, like, last resort. You know what I mean? Like, this just goes back out onto, one of the regular streets. Nobody out here right now, though. Quiet. I never figured out what those... There's gates in the border fence. The GoPro is a wide-angle lens. You won't be able to see it that well. You can see the fence going up through Otay Mountain, actually. But there's gates in the border fence, like right there. I can't figure out what the hell those are for. Like, are they gonna... Is that for them to open the floodgates one day and just let everybody in? That'd be crazy. Except I think the gates are only on the US side of the fence. I don't think they're on the secondary, the Mexico side of the fence. Or, well, I think this is the secondary fence on the left-hand side. The northernmost one is the secondary. So I guess those are probably to let agents go into the secondary fence, through the secondary fence to the primary, to that little fucking no man's land DMZ between the two. Oh, here's a nice little incline. That's cool. And then that trail goes off into nowhere. I don't even think it continues that far. I need an oil change. My oil life is at 7%, it's telling me. So I'll probably schedule that for this week, and the Explorer needs an oil change too, so I gotta get that done as well. I'll probably take both to Ford, even though I know Ford is probably gonna look at the Explorer and give me a fucking, like, CVS receipt full of shit that needs to get fixed. But I mean, I don't think it's that bad. I don't think the Explorer is in that bad condition. The thing is, I've never had it actually looked at. You know, it doesn't really do anything bad. There's no warning lights or anything, and it drives fine. But why am I... This is a Raptor. Why am I driving it so slow? I'm going Jeep speeds in this thing. What the fuck? But it's fine. The Explorer's fine. It has like a TPMS warning light on, because one of the TPMS things isn't working. Probably just needs to get either... I don't think you can replace the battery in those, so probably just replace it. Yeah, here I am. We went down the trail. We did this. This did not go as far as I thought it would. I thought I remembered it going, making a left-hand turn and going south down to the border. I guess not. Not a big deal. But I'm going to turn around now and stop back there, record a video with the border fence in the background, because people like to see that. And that's that, you know, hanging out. fucking Sunday fun day. If you can call this fun. I think it's fun. I think it's stupid, silly fun. What I'll probably do is record right up here. So I'll probably just jump the curb a little bit if I can get that angle. Ah, come on. It's just a curb, dude. I'm also in two-wheel drive. That doesn't help all that much. Now it's fine now. Okay. There's a fucking like plank there, dude. This shit looks like an IED. Look at that. It looks like they tied it up to make it look like a pipe bomb. Let's see if this is a good spot. Oh yeah, dude, that's fine. Okay. Alright, sweet. Gonna record a video now for the talk / YouTube shorts / Instagram, whatever. Love you, appreciate you. See you again very soon. There's Tijuana. Love you.